Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for $750 monthly income. To begin with, this calculation helps us understand how much dividend-paying investment wealth may be needed to generate $750 per month. This can be useful for planning passive income, covering regular expenses, or setting a realistic break-even income target through dividends. First, we define the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $750 per month. This means the investor wants to receive about $750 every month from dividend income to reach the break-even goal. Next, we convert the monthly income goal into annual income. Since there are 12 months in a year, we multiply $750 by 12. As a result, the annual dividend income target becomes $9,000. This annual figure is important because dividend yield is usually calculated on a yearly basis. After that, we estimate the average dividend yield. In this example, the assumed average dividend yield is 3.5%. Dividend yield shows how much income an investment may generate each year compared with the total value of the portfolio. However, actual dividend yield can vary depending on the selected stocks, funds, taxes, fees, dividend changes, and market performance. Now, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is annual income divided by dividend yield. So, $9,000 divided by 3.5% gives approximately $257,143. This means that, before adding a safety margin, an investor may need around $257,143 invested at a 3.5% yield to generate $9,000 per year. Then, we build a safety margin. This step is important because investment income is not always fixed. Markets may change, companies may reduce dividends, and taxes or fees can lower the actual amount received. In this example, a 10% safety margin is added. So, $257,143 multiplied by 1.10 gives approximately $282,857. Therefore, the final break-even wealth target is about $282,900. This is the approximate portfolio value needed to generate the target monthly dividend income of $750, assuming a 3.5% average annual dividend yield and a 10% safety margin. In other words, if an investor builds a portfolio worth around $282,900 and it yields 3.5% annually, the expected dividend income would be about $9,902 per year. When divided by 12 months, that equals approximately $825 per month, which slightly exceeds the original $750 monthly break-even goal. Finally, remember the key lesson. A higher dividend yield means less portfolio value may be needed, while a lower dividend yield means more capital may be required. Also, reinvesting dividends and adding new money over time can help the portfolio grow faster. It is also important to review the target regularly because market conditions, dividend yields, taxes, fees, and personal income needs can change. This is only an estimate for educational purposes. Actual results may vary based on taxes, fees, dividend changes, and market performance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.